Okay, let's look at this question. X, Y, Z is a triangle with x is equal to 7, 8, y equal to 3, 2, z equal to 7, 2, and angle x, z, y equal to 90 degree. Okay, so the first key point what you need to know is like this. They have given an angle. So when we are drawing a triangle, you should always remember it is a right angle triangle, and then draw the triangle accordingly. So I'm just drawing a sample triangle here where x z y is 90, so which means z is the one which is 90 degree. Okay, so that is what you have to keep track of. So this is a 90 degree, and x is 7 8, y is 3 2, and z is 7 2. Okay, so the first what you have to find is the orthocenter. What is orthocenter? Orthocenter is the one second. Orthocenter is the point of intersection of the lines which are coming from the which are like perpendicular, which are like from the perpendicular from a particular vertex to the side which is opposite to that. For example, if I'm taking z as a vertex, and if I draw a perpendicular to this, if this angle is 90 degree, so this line and also the other two vertices, the two lines drawn from the vertices, they all meet together at the orthocenter. Okay, now in the case of a right angle triangle, this line, this red line what I have drawn here, is the line which I'm drawing from the vertex z. But if you see from the vertex x, that also it comes, this is a line which is drawn from that vertex, and from y we are drawing this line. So this point here which I am darkened, that is the orthocenter for this particular right angle triangle. Okay, so once you draw it, and once you think that okay, this is a right angle triangle, and the other two sides like this side and this side are already perpendicular, then we realize that this is the orthocenter. So in this case, the orthocenter is equal to 7 2. Okay, so that's the first thing. Now to find the circumcenter, what we need to do, okay, let me just erase this all. Okay, so for the circumcenter, it's the perpendicular bisector, right? The joining point of the perpendicular bisectors of those lines. So if I take the case of this side xy, okay, xy, I need to find the midpoint of that xy, and then I draw a perpendicular bisector like this. Similarly, if I am taking the side zy, I find the midpoint of that, and then I draw a perpendicular bisector like this, and then the meeting point of that is the circumcenter. So for that, what you will do is you need to find the midpoint of xy. So how do you find the, like if given a line, for example, if you have given a line called xy, and if there is a perpendicular bisector which is like this is the midpoint of that line, how will you find the equation of this line? Like if this is PQ, how will you find the equation of the line? The method is you find the equation of xy, and then you find the slope of xy, and then you alternate the slope. You know that, right? Like if the slope of one line is 3 over 2, the slope of the perpendicular will be minus 3 over 2. Okay, you will reverse the fraction and put a positive or a negative sign depending on that. And then since it is passing through the midpoint, you can use the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, so that's a common method. Now in this case, what we do is we need to find, so the step for this one is first we find the midpoint of xy, then you find the slope of xy, and then find equation of the line. Maybe this is PQ, equation of the line PQ which is passing through the midpoint. The midpoint is this point, so maybe I give the name as S and T. Okay, passing through ST. Okay, using this slope. So to do that, midpoint of xy is, midpoint of xy will be x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, which is like 7 plus 3 over 2, 8 plus 2 over 2, which is equal to 5, 5. So this point is 5, 5. Okay. Then slope of xy is equal to, slope of xy is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is equal to 2 minus 8 over 3 minus 7, which is equal to minus 6 over minus 4, which is equal to 3 over 2. So since the slope of xy is 3 over 2, slope of PQ will be minus 2 over 3. Now as the third step, we need to find the equation of PQ, which is like with slope minus 2 over 3 and which is passing through the point, passing through the point 5, 5. 5, 5 is the midpoint. Okay, so that is nothing but y minus 5 is equal to slope minus 2 over 3 into x minus 5. Now cross multiplying, 3y minus 15 is equal to minus 2x plus 10. Bring the 2x this side, so 2x plus 3y is equal to 25. So this is the first equation, and this is the equation of the line PQ. Okay, now again you have to find the equation of the line maybe MN. This is the equation of the line MN. So similarly, the same method, you follow this same method, find the equation of MN. Okay, and then you find the equation of MN and then solve those two equations, because we need to find the joining point of that. So solve these equations and you get the point, this middle point, maybe I name it as A. So solve this equation to find A. Okay, so try this question out. If you are not able to solve it, come back to me. Thank you.